My thoughts cut so deep inside, but I have nowhere else to hide. I've found it's hard to find a better place in which I can confide. The way I think, the things I say, and everything in between. It makes me feel like I can never be with you now.